Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The iPad Pro M5 could be the biggest leap in tablets since the very first iPad in 2010. With insane new display technology, the rumored M5 chip, and Apple's bold push into AI-powered computing, this isn't just another iPad, it might be Apple's most important device of the decade. This year isn't about small changes. The iPad Pro M5 represents a turning point. A moment where Apple may finally close the gap between tablets and laptops, and in some ways even surpass them. Tease features and rumors. Drop the key highlights. You'll explore tandem OLED display refinements with slimmer bezels. The all-new M5 chip with a massive performance jump, 16 to 24 GB RAM for pro-level multitasking. Dual front-facing cameras solving one of the iPad's oldest problems. iPadOS 26 bringing desktop-like workflows. So today, we're diving deep into the leaks, rumors, and insider reports to figure out exactly what Apple is planning with the iPad Pro M5, and why it could finally redefine what a tablet can be. The iPad Pro M5 might be the single biggest leap in iPad history since the original 2010 model. Mention insane display leaks, next-gen performance with the M5 chip, and new AI-powered features. Pose a question to the viewer, but can it really replace your laptop or even your desktop? Promise answers. This sets the stage for a deep dive so viewers stay engaged. The iPad's evolution. Recap Apple's iPad journey from 2010 to now. Early models seen as big iPhones. iPad Pro line push toward productivity. Apple Pencil, Magic Keyboard, M chips. M1 iPad Pro first with Apple Silicon level powered. M2 performance leap, but iPadOS limited it. M4 huge redesign with tandem OLED and ultra-thin chassis. Explain how the M5 is Apple's chance to finally merge iPad power with laptop level workflows. Design and display leaks suggest slimmer bezels with sizes 11.5 inch and 13.5 inch. Refinements in tandem OLED, brighter, more efficient, higher HDR peak brightness. Adaptive refresh rate refinements, smoother promotion transitions. Apple Pencil integration improvements, lower latency, possibly Apple Pencil 3 with haptic feedback. Positioning iPad M5 could rival professional monitors for creative pros. Performance. M5 chip and neural engine expected 10-core CPU, 6 efficiency plus 4 performance. Optimized for power and battery life. 12-core GPU, 25 to 30% faster graphics. Compared to M4 benchmarks, already ahead of many laptop CPUs. Neural engine upgrades optimized for on-device AI tasks, real-time translation. Advanced photo-video enhancements, live transcription. This makes iPad M5 the center of Apple's AI push, paired with iPadOS 26. RAM and multitasking. Baseline 16 GB RAM with high-end models offering 24 GB. Why this matters: supports advanced multitasking in iPadOS 26. True windowed apps, multiple desktops, and extended external monitor support. Examples: creatives running Photoshop, Final Cut Pro, and a reference PDF simultaneously. Developers compiling apps while testing environments, students writing papers, attending video calls, and analyzing data without lag. Apple positioning iPad as a primary device, not a secondary one. Camera innovations: dual front cameras optimized for portrait and landscape. Solves awkward video call angles, always centered, natural eye contact. Great for FaceTime, Zoom, Teams, and streamers. Content creators. Rear upgrades improved LiDAR, better AR/VR capabilities. Better low-light performance, useful for creative workflows and 3D scanning. iPad won't replace iPhone as main camera, but crucial for AR and hybrid work setups. Comparisons: iPad Pro M4 amazing redesign, tandem OLED, but limited by 8 GB RAM. Baseline. iPad Pro M2. First laptop class iPad but capped by iPadOS limitations. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Huge AMOLED screen, Android flexibility, but weaker ecosystem integration. Microsoft Surface Pro 10 full Windows experience, but weaker battery life and tablet apps. MacBook Air M3 M4. Still the go-to for many, but iPad M5 closes the gap with touch, pencil and portability. Narrative. Apple is building a device that merges best of both tablet and laptop worlds. Ecosystem and iPadOS 26. Tight integration with iPhone and Mac Universal Clipboard. Handoff sidecar. iPad as second Mac display. Rumored Apple Pencil 3 better latency, possible haptics, hover features. Deeper AI integration in iPadOS 26 smart multitasking suggestions. Enhanced Spotlight with AI. Pro apps, Final Cut, Logic, Xcode, running smoothly. Apple strategy. iPad M5 is not standalone, it's a hub in the Apple ecosystem. Pricing and release window. Expected announcement October-November 2025, after iPhone 17 and Apple Watch launches. Rumored pricing $1,099 for 11.5-inch. $1,299 for 13.5-inch. Apple holding price steady to keep within reach for students, creatives, and professionals. Buying advice. Early adopters, premium buyers. Smart buyers wait a few months for Amazon, Best Buy, B&H discounts. Why this upgrade matters. The iPad Pro M5 represents design refinement. Slimmer, brighter, more immersive. Performance. Breakthrough M5 chip plus AI neural engine. Pro-level workflows. 16 to 24 GB RAM, multitasking. Ecosystem integration. iPadOS 26 plus Apple Pencil 3. The takeaway: if even half of these leaks are true, the iPad Pro M5 won't just be another iPad, it could redefine what we expect from a tablet. What do you think? Can the iPad M5 finally replace your laptop? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more Apple news and leaks. The iPad Pro M5 isn't just another step forward, it's a statement from Apple. A thinner, brighter, more immersive display. A next-gen M5 chip that rivals laptops. More memory than any tablet has ever offered. And an ecosystem that ties everything together seamlessly. Reinforce the upgrade's meaning for creatives: a workstation in your backpack. For students, a true laptop replacement. For pros, a machine powerful enough for editing, coding, or 3D modeling. For everyday users, the best portable Apple experience ever. But what do you think? Can the iPad Pro M5 really replace your laptop, or is it still just an amazing tablet? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's future, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss my next breakdown on the iPhone 17 and other upcoming Apple devices. The iPad Pro M5 might just be the most important iPad Apple has ever built, and 2025 could be the year it finally replaces the laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.